really an upsurge in terms of football interest, awareness in the Philippines. Talagang teams developed. Coaching staff developed. Merchandise. T-shirt naman. Susunod. Uy, katinan lang muna ko bigla. Anyway, diba, supporters, dumami. May cheering squads pa eh.
Oo nga.
Kompleto na. And the good news is, even infrastructure is supporting football now. The Philippine football.
Tsaka pare, may gantong show.
Minsan lang ako makapasok sa ganito.
Diba?
Minsan nga lang akong makapasok sa harapan ng camera. Dati pang 1 by 1 lang ako. Ngayon, doon na, no? Diba? Masaya na ako. Tawano mo lang ako. Anyway, okay. May mga shows na, may talagang OSP, even if you ask someone across, naglalakad ka, biglang, alam na eh. Unlike before na, parang, larong elitista, larong mayaman. Lagi sila sa... And infrastructure is also helping out in a big way with Mega World building their stadium or a field in McKinley Hill. How big is this as an impact in Philippine football development? Oy, yun mo.
Maganda to for...
Maganda talaga to! So, maganda nito!
Okay,
kasi ganda ng girlfriend mo to.
Hi, by the way. Okay.
Jillian, you owe me.
Okay, anyway. The young, this is good for especially the young people. Okay, they're looking forward to really striving their best to play kasi with all the facilities, infrastructures that UFL is putting up, all the construction companies are putting up. Nagbo-boom na yung football sa atin. So hindi na kailangan lumabas ng ibang tao.
Hindi na tayo maglalaro sa mga pachi-pachi, no?
Oo.
Sa mga
yung sapatos
buhangin,
yung mamahalin.
Oo, pwede na. Dati ayaw natin bumili ng mga mamahalin. Yung mga kunyari, mga 9,000, 12,000 worth. Kasi alam mong isang gamit mo na, punit na kaagad. No?
After 2 months, yun, punit.
Parang, didismaya ka, sasaktan ka lang, sayang sa pera. Di ba, mga ganun. At least, kumaga, tanggalin natin yung pagka-shallow naman natin doon. Sige, I mean.
Plus, this is kasi may home na talaga yung
the home.
Yes.
Kumbaga, kung ang PBA may Araneta, dating Cuneta sa Araneta ngayon. Ito na ang magiging bahay. Sino titira?
Wala pa.
UFL lang, di ba? Ito, Igo, tanongin kita. With this happening, kasi with Mega World, how can this be really a good start? Kumbaga, kasi ilagay na natin na ang problema kasi dyan, minsan dami na kayo sa team. Okay, sorry to Enzo, pero Rizal. Problem is, Rizal hindi na maintain. Ano bang kailangan i-address dito na nakakalimutan ba nila i-maintain yung mga ginagawa? Di ba? Di ba nila nakikita na brown na yung
bubog sarado.
Tuyong-tuyo na. Parang di pa yan.
Buhangin.
Wala lang damo.
Actually, ilalaban ko pa yung graba na nga minsan na talaga.
Hindi, pare, Malaysia yung nireklamo nung dumating sila dito.
Wala, hindi nakapag-train ang Malaysia sa Rizal.
Sana to, punta silang Dubai.
Buhangin lang pala.
Sana Boracay na lang sila.
Nagkaroon nga ng coaching clinic dito na yung mga youth coaches na Real Madrid.
Last week.
Sabi nila sa UMAC, sabi niya, this is we're sorry about the field. Ganyan, sinabi sa amin. But this is a very dangerous ground. So kami, grabe.
Hindi yung sa loob, hindi sa labas.
Yung loob. This is a very dangerous ground. So, dangerous? Why dangerous? Because you will get injured here. I was supposed to say bad, but it's not bad. It's very dangerous.
It's very bad. Pero hindi, ayun nga, yun yung problema. Pero yun nga, Igo, I mean, given that situation that sometimes, administration of the field or the maintenance of the grass and all, nakakalimutan I mean, ano ba kailangan gawin natin, di ba?
Magkaroon tayo ng mga turf similar dun sa BGC turf. Ang narinig ko dito kanina sa press con is turf ang gagamitin dito.
Correct.
So hindi ka pwede dito maglaro ng tanghali kasi sobrang init nito sa paa.
Para ka nasa oven.
Yun lang.
Hindi, pero okay lang kasi weekend and night games. Yabang na tayo Night games na kayang-kaya. So ayun nga. So it's the better move for the Filipinos who want to invest or really want to help out in terms of infrastructure or yung paggawa ng field, go pagdating sa artificial.
Kasi little maintenance na eh. And syempre pag yung natural, sakit pa ulo mo, tutubilyan mo pa at lahat, and imumo mo pa, and kung sino pa pinagamit mo dyan, baka hindi maglaon, kalbo na.
Okay, parang may pinanggagalingan.
Ay, bilang pinahiram.
Pero,
Correct me if I'm wrong, Iko, pero di ba, I think there are plans also for Rizal Memorial to eventually be turned into turf. Correct, di ba? And I think Ateneo is also Yuma. Eventually. Ateneo is also building that thing.
It's not turf.
It's not the new one.
They're going oval.
They're making an oval, a track oval. Tapos may...
Field pa rin.
Yeah.
Pero...
But it's not gonna be turf.
It's not turf.
Okay.
Hindi naman sa kasi ilang years ko na narinig yung magagawa stadium sa Ateneo. 2003 pa eh.
Baka naman natuloy.
Baka ngayon na.
Pare, 50 years bago na itayo yung simbahan, di ba?
Okay lang naman. And establish niya ang eskwela, di ba? Talagang matagal, no? So, ganun din, di ba? But, ito na lang. Nate, tanongin kita. Kasi, with the boost, ito na nga nagagawin ng Mega World.
Okay.
Can this really influence other real estate companies? Actually help out.
Yeah. Actually, I heard again, but is it SM? I think the SM group was supposed to build also in their...
Mahirap to. Puputol tayo ng puno.
Receding.
Receding, lilipat sa tabi.
Pero yun na, tapos, ano ba to? Yung, of course, INC, I think, is also, Iglesia ni Cristo is building sa Bukawi. And I think that will be, an honest to goodness stadium. I think they're talking about anywhere from 50,000 seats. But again, we've just seen artist renditions and stuff. So far, we don't know yet. But, I mean, it's a good, and I was reading also last week, diba, meron din yung, the government, I think, but they're still arguing where to put it, di ba? There's a 300 million peso stadium, 75,000 seater.
Pero saan ilalagay? Lagay na sa gina ng Maynila eh.
Di ba? Kasi, I think their peg was the 100,000 seater stadiums of Malaysia and Indonesia. Bongkarno in Indonesia.
Bukit Jalil in
Malaysia.
Exactly, nabilis eh.
Wag muna. Kasi syempre,
natin.
Yung mga kapitbahay naman natin yun, they've been used to football, and Singapore was playing in their what's that small Jalan Besar, the 6,000 seater stadium. Masama na nga loob nila nun, sabi nila. Tapos 6,000 seater na nga, 4,000 pa Pinoy. Di ba?
Wala sila sa BGC nga eh. 10 standing yun. May rehas pa.
Parang aabang ka ng cage match. Kumbaga, kung magkamali ang referee, kandaduhin na yung
wala na. Kaya parang kunyari nawid ka, boring yung game. Parang kang nagmamakawa na kalayaan eh. No, but anyway, again, with all these infrastructure being planned, being built, sino a big boost? I mean, dati kasi inisip natin, gusto ko makapunta ng Santiago Bernabeu, gusto ko makapunta ng Nou Camp, gusto ko makapunta ng Old Trafford. Kasi yun yung mga, talagang those are the stadiums that have been there for
Mecca.
Diba? Mga St. Peter's nila, di ba?
Mga 19 kopong pa ata ng mga to, di ba? Pero talagang inaayos ang...
Lalo na yung lumang Wembley, halimbawa.
Yung Wembley, di ba? Tapos, di ba, parang, ang ganda na eh. So maybe at some point, we'll see...
Sana.
Rizal Memorial, tapos di ba, yung Rizal Memorial, you see, okay, biglang magkaroon tayo ng mga... Philippine Airline, ganun ba? Kasi may Etihad eh. May Emirates Stadium, di ba? So, Cebu pa Stadium.
Tama para sa Cebu, di ba?
Sa mga gusto mag-sponsor dyan. But again, it's a good development. Sana hindi tumigil. Kasi baka, alam mo na, sana hindi tumigil. At sana, it will continue, more projects to come, and it will continue to increase the awareness and the interest for Philippine football.
Diba? Parang kahit mga village, lang, di ba? Kahit
parang
futsal size na,
diba?
Parang gano'n.
Improve.
Masimulan
yung mga
na.
village na yan, magkaroon na rin ng sariling teams, kanya-kanya. Kung magkaroon ng
Inter-barangay, no? Parang inter-barangay, no?
Kanya-kanya
Kasi
home
jersey
stadium pa.
pinakahilang doon sa kanto, di ba? Pwede na rin yun, di ba? But again, all these, lahat, yung maganda kasi, interest is there, awareness is there, the passion is there already, and then infrastructure is following, the players are there. It's really, really great development for Philippine football. And also for more updates regarding your football development, the UFL and the ASCALs, follow us on Twitter at FTW Sports. So, see you around.